everyone, Bronte here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to A Clean With Me. Today we are going to tackle all of the things that I put off or neglect quite often, and I cannot wait to get this video going. I'm hoping to give you some serious cleaning motivation, so let's just jump right into it and get it started.
There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. In
today's video, we are going to tackle the usual messes that come with having a couple of children, and we are also going to tackle stuff that I don't really get around to often. So today I'm going to start by stripping my bed and washing my sheets. We'll throw those in a wash in a little bit, but I have a ton of laundry to put away. I just have a ton of stuff that needs to actually be cleaned. And then I'm also going to clean the baseboards. I'm going to dust everything and wipe down stuff that I don't usually get around to or that I put off because I don't enjoy doing it. But first things first, I just wanted to introduce myself a little bit better for those of you that might be new around here. My name is Bronte. I'm a stay-at-home mama of two. I have a 4.5-year-old little boy and a 1.5-year-old little girl. Live in Las Vegas with my husband, the 2 kiddos, and our dog, and I have a ton of cleaning motivation on my channel, as well as motherhood and lifestyle stuff. So if you are new, don't forget to stick around and subscribe. It's a good time over here, and I would love to have you stick around and join the family. We're wrapping up Vlogmas here soon, so there's a ton of videos that I've been putting out lately, so go and check those out. If you are someone who loves Clean With Me videos, give this video a thumbs up so that I know that you are enjoying content like this. A cleaning tip for you guys is to leave your dirty sheets on your bed or cover your bed with a blanket that needs to be washed before dusting, and then when you go to dust your ceiling fan or dust your vents or anything, the dust can fall on the blankets or the sheets that are already dirty, and then you just throw those in the wash and you don't have to worry about getting clean sheets or your clean bed all dusty and dirty. Somebody on here left me a comment teaching me this tip, and it's been such a godsend. So if you are the person who left that comment with this tip, thank you so much, and I'm so happy that I get to share it with the rest of everybody on here. So if you're the person who left the comment, leave your name down below, come say hi so that you can get the credit for this amazing tip because it's been so helpful.
I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know that you're done now. No, it's no more, no. I got so high on a hill. That's when I loved you the most. No, I thought I should let you know that you're done now. No, it's no more, we're done now. No, it's no more, we're done now. No, it's no more, we're done now. No, it's no more, no, no. We're done now. No, it's no more, we're done now. No, it's no more, we're done now. No, it's no more, no, no. Yeah. Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you.
I am also going to strip the sheets and the bedding off of my little guy's bed so that I can wash his sheets as well. And then we're going to throw all of the sheets in the wash. Well, we're going to throw my sheets in the wash because my sheets are white. I really wanted to bleach them to get them extra sparkling clean. I like to bleach them every other week. On the off week, I'll just wash them with regular detergent and this Free and Clear Downy laundry softener. But today we are going to bleach them and get them all nice and clean using Clorox Splashless Bleach. I'm going to be using Kirkland disinfectant wipes to wipe down the baseboards, the knobs on the handles of the doors in my room, wiping down my desk, wiping down my dresser, and pretty much using these to wipe down everybody's baseboards today because honestly, they just work really well. They're disinfectant, it's cold and flu season, and they smell really good. So I'm going to be using these, and my little helper Kingsley is going to dust the walls using a Swiffer duster.
Sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left got you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego.
Moving right along to the bathrooms, I'm gonna start in my master bathroom today instead of the kids' bathroom, and I'm just going to bleach the bathtub and the shower because it desperately needs it. I always put off cleaning my bathroom. The kids' bathroom is cleaned at least once a week, but my bathroom definitely needs to be cleaned more often, and I hate to admit the fact that it barely gets cleaned, like a good deep cleaning, like a good scrubbing, but it's just the reality of it. So I'm using Clorox bleach spray to scrub my bathtub with, and then just using an older sponge that I like to use when I clean using bleach. Use the scrub inside and scrub all that gunk and grime off of the shower.
Couldn't face the truth that maybe
I'm also going to be removing my shower curtain and the shower curtain liner to be washed because mine are washable and they were just getting that mildewy kind of smell to them, and my white shower curtain gets these weird yellow stains on them from being in the bathroom, so I have to bleach that as well. Get those all nice and clean, no more mildew smell. My shower is going to be clean. It's going to be amazing when it comes time to actually take a shower.
stepping on toes with these humble acting.
And this is the rest of the mess in the bathroom that desperately needs to be cleaned. So we're just gonna straighten everything up, get it all squared away, and then clean everything. I'm gonna bleach the countertops today using that same Clorox bleach spray that I was just using in the shower, and I'm gonna be scrubbing the counters and the sink with that same sponge as well, and then just using a generic Windex spray on the mirrors to get those all nice and clean.
I belong to you.
I belong to you.
Do just what you want. You're the one I trust, and I always be around when I need some loving, baby. No one else.
Yeah.
Let you down.
Let you down. Sing all my melodies.
What are some of the areas of your house that get neglected often? Mine are definitely the baseboards. I never wipe them down. When I'm cleaning, I will be like, oh, I'm going to clean the baseboards today. And then I kind of forget because I've got 2 little kids. They're always needing something when I'm cleaning. So I get distracted and then I forget that I need to clean them. And then I look down when I'm either going to get in the shower, or going to the bathroom, or just sitting at the table at dinner. And I'm like, oh my gosh, these are absolutely disgusting. So what are things that you forget about or things that get neglected in your house, whether you mean to or not? I want to know down below. And if you have any tips for cleaning baseboards, let me know what those are too, because I find that the disinfectant wipes do work really well, but sometimes when they're super dusty, it kind of just pushes all the dust around. So what do you use to clean your baseboards?
Kinda simple, kinda wishful about things, and you're kinda simple, but like a pistol, you fire. Sometimes you get under my skin like a lover, and sometimes you don't wanna come back 'cause you'd rather stay out with another, talking to strangers and make out spontaneously. Now I'm so tired of.
Another area of my home that gets neglected quite often is our loft and office area. It's kind of like the joint space where my husband plays games on the computer and the kids play, and there's always just stuff in here, so I never remember to dust. And oh my gosh, you guys, it was so dusty. It needs to be done way more often. Like, I need a sticky note stuck to my head reminding me that I need to dust more often because this is just insane. It was so dusty, as you saw, and it hasn't even been that long. Maybe we just need our air ducts cleaned or something, or it's just dusty here in Las Vegas. I don't even know. So I'm just gonna clean everything up in this loffice. It's the loffice. That's a perfect name for it. The loffice space. The loft and the office, and clearly I cannot speak English.
Sometimes you get under my skin like a lover, and sometimes you don't wanna come back 'cause you'd rather stay out with another, talking to strangers and make out spontaneous.
Time to clean up the kids' bathroom. Okay, their bathroom gets cleaned really often, so it's never super dirty, but we do have my in-laws staying with us right now, so I just want to keep it cleaner than I usually would. Clean for them, clean the bathtub more often because there's more people using it because we don't have a separate guest bathroom. So I'm just gonna clean everything up in here. We are currently in the process of doing a little mini makeover on the kids' bathroom. They got some new paint on their walls. It's a more gray color rather than the purpley gray that was in here before. They got a new shower curtain. We got some towel hooks and took the towel bar down. And I'm going to be painting all of the fixtures a matte black color. And I'm going to actually have a video going up about how I'm going to be painting the fixtures because super easy, super cost effective, DIY project, and I cannot wait to share it with you guys. Hopefully it turns out well because I've never done this before, and I'm going to be spray painting them. And I'm really excited because we're kind of doing stuff in the house, getting stuff to look how we want it to, and I'm just so excited about it. We are also going to be giving the kitchen a makeover, which I cannot wait to do because our kitchen is just so dated. Just like these counters, just like the cabinets, everything just needs a little refresher and upgrade, and we're gonna be redoing our counters. We just put a new sink in. We're gonna be painting the cabinets. I'm just so excited about everything we have going on. So if you are new here and you haven't already subscribed, don't forget to subscribe and stick around for all the fun DIY projects and home updates, and of course, cleaning motivation every single week.
It's calling me, like the rainbow, the rainbow.
We've also been working on giving my daughter's room a little refresher. We didn't do too much in it. We just kind of rearranged everything that was on the walls, and I think it turned out so cute. We put up some little spice racks from IKEA and turned them into bookshelves, and I'm just loving the way it came out. But while we were in the process of doing this, my father-in-law was hanging the stuff on the wall, so there's some dust from drilling into the wall. So I'm just gonna get everything super clean in her room, wipe everything down, dust really well, get behind the dresser, get around the crevices, get in the corners, and get it all nice and dust free because obviously I don't want my little baby girl inhaling anything from inside the walls or from the walls themselves, paint, you know, all the fun stuff that comes with drilling stuff into the walls.
It's calling me, like the rainbow, like the rainbow. It's calling me, like the rainbow, the rainbow.
And moving on to my little guy's room. His room is one of my favorite rooms because it's just kind of like one of the main play areas of the house. His room is really big and he has a big closet, so all of the toys are stored in his closet. So we hang out in here quite often. I'm just gonna straighten everything up, put the books away, straighten up his bed because it's a disaster, and just get everything nice and more organized for him to have a clean and organized space to be sleeping in and hanging out in. And today he was really, really cuddly and just wanted to be with Mama. So as you can see here, my little snuggle bug wanted to be with me, and he was having a really hard time because I was trying to get him to help me clean. He's at that age where he doesn't really want to help, but he's old enough to help do chores. So we struggle with it sometimes, and that's just mom life. That's just the way it is. He's 4.5. I don't blame him for not wanting to clean, but I do try to get him to help me as often as possible. Kingsley, on the other hand, Kingsley loves to help clean. She's only 1.5. She hasn't quite gotten to the point yet of realizing that it's not as fun as mommy makes it look, I guess. So we're just gonna dust everything in his room and then vacuum and just get it back to the way that it's supposed to be. I hope that this video has given you some cleaning motivation. Thank you guys so much for being here, and thank you so much for watching my videos. It means the world to me to have you all here. It's so exciting connecting with all of you. I hope that you're having a super merry, happy holiday season. Thank you guys again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and stick around if you are new here. And I just hope you have a super Merry Christmas. Happy holidays. Thank you guys again, and I'll catch you in the next video.
Someone